Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating numbers, and in today's class we will learn about rounding. As you have already learned, Java provides several key functions to manage or manipulate numbers. Rounding is one important aspect, especially when you don't want to deal with a large number or large precision after decimal. You want to find out a nearest positive number. For example, if I give 5.9 on a, if I write here, let's say this is 5 and this is 6, and I divide it in 10. So this is 5.1, this is 5.2, this is 5.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's say this is 10. I'm gonna erase this here and this is 6 here. If I say 5.9, I'm talking about this number here. This is 5.9. Nearest is naturally 6. So if I want to round this to a nearest whole number, Java provides a function called math.round, and naturally it takes just one input, which is a number. So if I declare a variable a 5.9 and I pass this in the math.round function a, it will give me 6. If I pass 5.4, it will give me 5 because 5.4 is towards this side and not to the right side. Now, suppose I have a number and I want to, round that number to 2 decimal point, then I can do this. In this code, you will see here that I have a number called 5.312. Now, in order to round this, I can use a following formula, which is take the number and multiply with math of power 10 to the precision. So suppose I want to do 10 to the power to the 2 digits, I will say power of 10 comma 2, which is nothing but basically 100. So I will take the number multiplied by 100 and divide it again by the same 100. It will give me a nearest precision here, 5.31. I hope this is useful, and you will use this in multiple places where you want only 2 digit after the decimal. You don't want 3 digit or 4 digit and all. You should be able to use this technique to convert to create a precision up to 2 decimal points. That's all in today's class. I'll see you guys again in the next class. We'll learn about square root methods, which is exactly opposite of power. Meanwhile, go ahead and do the practice, take the quiz and learn.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.